So this 70-year-old piece just still going strong. It's probably a lot older than most of the audience watching these videos. Good morning, welcome back to a new video. It's One Man Pan Man. We buy and sell Le Creuset, and this channel is all about the journey of the reselling business, what it is we get up to, how we clean them, pick, pack, and sourcing. So we'll swing the camera around because we've got down there a 70-year-old casserole dish. So another day, another video. First line we've got is in this huge box, huge slim box. This is a vintage buy. This was picked up from my local every drop-off shop. I was intrigued to open it quickly just because of the size of the box. As you can see, what was inside is just this tiny pan. So I was intrigued to know. At first, I thought I might have ordered something else. I don't remember ordering, but it's when I picked it up, I knew obviously straight away with it being cast iron that was one of the pans. So it's a griddle or a skillet, whichever you want to call it. It's the signature version, if you like, because it has a grab handle rather than just the little hold handle nib, whatever you want to call it. In the red, real nice condition. It'll clean up really well. This will, you can sort of tell with the skillets by looking. If there's not too much filth on them, they go quite good. And then on to packing. So these are the shelves that I make to hold either 3 or 5 pans, or you can put a few casseroles, whatever you like. There's then the 3 grooves taken out the top. That's where the lids will stand. And then obviously underneath they have the hook eyes. I'll add a picture into this so you can see. This is all the fixtures and fittings that I use to obviously hold it. So you've got 2 steel, what do you call them, shelving brackets. You've got all the necessary screws for fixing, which are up to like 50-60 kilos in holding weight, so more than enough. The hook eyes are then just the little black screws that you use to screw the actual piece of wood to the brackets. But these have been selling quite well. It's just a bit more modern way of having a stand compared to the old school ones where they'll sit on a side. Obviously not a lot of people have the room as much now maybe to have a chunky stand on the side. You don't tend to see too many of them on eBay. I used to buy them up. And I used to try and make my own as well. Just the people do like that older look still, but there's a lot more work involved and it costs a bit more money to make. This is a more cost effective, more modern way, and obviously because it's wall mounted, there's a lot more choice for people of whereabouts they want to hang them in the kitchen or in the spare room or whatever it is to use them for. Obviously some people might be buying these purely as a display sort of thing, because not everyone uses the Creuset they buy for its use. People like to collect and just have it as an ornament really. But it's another stand gone. They fetch quite good money. They're good enough, they're quick enough, cheap enough to make, and it's just the more modern way of doing it. But like everything else, it's still packaged up the same, plenty of wrapping, all those bits and bobs. I think it falls to the 2 to 5 kilos with every to send, so it doesn't cost an awful lot to get rid of. And also have another box which is perfect for if you sell a set of 5 pans, so you can get it all in one thing. Comes to just under 20, so it can go with DPD next day, which is another bonus. But that's that one done. We'll get that on its way. And then our second item is obviously the real old vintage. I can't remember what the colour is. I'm pretty sure it's the same colour Marilyn Monroe had. It's like the lemony yellow colour, size C, which equates to 20 centimetres in how the Creuset is sized today. Real nice condition for its age. This casserole dish is around 70 years old. So a lot of people have been and gone, a lot of cooking's been and gone since this was made. I've had several like this. This is probably the one that I've got in best condition. The interior still has a bit of a shine to it, so it shows it's not been used an awful lot. This would have been a very expensive gift, maybe a wedding gift back when it was originally bought. It would have been an extremely pricey item 70 odd years ago. But someone else has got it now. They asked a few questions on it, so I'm guessing it may have gone to someone who collects it. It'd be nice if they did use it, because it is still just a casserole dish. Obviously it has its history, and then obviously someone famous owning similar stuff, it always bumps the price up a little bit and all those sorts of things. But it is still a casserole dish, and it'd be nice for someone to get the use out of it. But they've paid, it's obviously their choice to do whatever. So loads of padding on this. Obviously we don't want this breaking, we don't want anything breaking, but each corner where the handles are, loads of padding, so it can't take a whack and potentially bust the handle off. And then there's all the usual padding, loads on the bottom and loads around the side. Don't be shy with your packaging. It gets rid of it for you, so and there's always plenty of it around. But this, I can't remember if this is going GSP or not. I don't think it was. If it was, I'll double box it, or maybe even triple if it was in the where it's going. But just making sure your packages are solid. You should be able to pick your box up after you've done it. You should be able to wiggle it around, try and press the sides in, and nothing really happens. That way you know it's pretty bomb-proof, really. But the two sales, quantity-wise, not huge, but other good things being the Creuset that sell, the price tends to always be up there. So just 2 items, but it holds good value. And that is it for today's video. So there we go. That is the few bits all done. Obviously got the stand in there, hopefully get a few more of those made up soon. And obviously this 70-year-old vintage frying pan, casserole dish. And then we'll get this in for cleaning now. This will come up basically like new, listed in a few days' time. Thank you so much for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please go ahead, like, comment and subscribe. There's also social medias you can follow along to as well to see some other stuff. And I'll see you on the next video.